Here are 5 ways to earn from your mobile apps. Hey guys, this is Mark, and this channel is all about mobile apps where I'll be covering tutorials, news, tips and tricks, as well as reviews. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that little bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as new videos come out. First one is making your app premium or paid. So this is the type of game or app where you pay upfront before downloading the game. So I believe you're familiar with App Store and Google Play Store, where you cannot download a game that has, well, a price in it. So you need to pay first before getting the game or playing the game. Basically, what happens here is the developers get paid, the App Store or the platform gets a cut of, I believe, 30%, and 70% goes to developer. Next one is in-app purchases. So these are the what we call premium games. As you can see from the App Store, there are a lot of games that are free, and then after some time you get to pay something, or well, you can choose not to pay anything, but there is always an option to pay something. Like for example, in Clash of Clans, although the game is free, you can purchase gems. And for, I believe, Mobile Legends and other mobile games, you have to not must, but you can buy heroes. There are different types of in-app purchases. So there are non-consumable, consumable, and subscription. So basically, non-consumables are permanent items. For example, you buy your hero in Mobile Legends, you can use it anytime, and if you if you reinstall the game, or you have a new phone and then reinstall the that specific game, you can still get your hero. Another one are consumable items. So for example, like what I said earlier, Clash of Clans, the gems there, or for let's say Candy Crush, the lives there are considered consumable. In other words, you can consider this as in-app currencies. And lastly, under in-app purchases are subscription. Basically, you have to pay monthly or yearly for a service. For example, Evernote, you have to pay yearly to avail their services. In these in-app purchases, developers get 70% cut, same as with paid apps, and the platform receives 30% cut. The third way to earn money from your mobile apps is ad networks. So I believe most of you are familiar, especially if you're playing freemium games or free games. You most likely you have watched an ad, or most likely you've seen an ad on the top part of the game or bottom part of the game, as they call it, banner ads. And one kind of ads are rewarded ads. So for example, you're playing a game and you want free gems, then there's an option there that says free gems if you watch this video, and then you have to watch the entire ad, and then you'll be rewarded with gems or with whatever in-app currency they have. The developers are earning from these ads if the player or user watches the ad, clicks the ad, or I believe in some cases even if they just saw the ad. The fourth way to earn is through external payment gateways. For example, you have a website that accepts PayPal payments or credit card payments, and then you as a developer, or you have the server, you activate a feature or a service for your client, and then when they go back to your app and logs in, they can have the access to the feature or service that you're providing. And the last way to earn is through business to business deals, or B2B. So what happens here is you have another entity which you have a deal with. For example, they pay you for, say, an X amount of money, and then you make an app for them. Whether it's free or paid, it depends on the deal. Some deals have royalties. For example, the customer or the business that wants you to create an app will pay for it for you to develop, and then you will have let's say 3% or 5% of the revenue for a certain amount of time. It really depends on your deal. Basically, it's just a conversation, or a deal between the two of you. So those are 5 ways to earn from your mobile apps. I hope you got something from this video, and if you already have an app, I hope you can choose or you can research on these things so you can apply the most effective way to monetize your app. If you like this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing, and see you in my next video.